NinjaOne is a cloud mobile device management or MDM solution that makes it easy to manage all of your laptops, phones, and cloud servers. From Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and more, NinjaOne supports a wide variety of devices. Until now, IT admins have been able to install apps, set configuration, and run scripts, but there was no built in or easy way to issue passwordless 802.1x certificates for your Wi Fi and VPN authentication. Instead, you had to either revert back to a WPA personal network with a shared password or try and write some custom scripts to get certificates set up. EZCA from Kitos is here to make this easier with full support for NinjaOne for macOS devices via a set of MDM automations and mobile config files that you can add to your NinjaOne environment with just a few clicks. Combined with an EZCA SCEP certificate authority, you can now easily issue user and machine certificates to all of your devices with no per certificate fees. Let's take a look at what that setup process looks like and how you can start issuing passwordless certificates to your NinjaOne managed macOS devices in less than 10 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and kick things off in the Ketos docs. We are going to consent the Ketos Entra ID application using our global administrator account. This is what allows you to sign into EZCA with your Entra ID account and create your certificate authorities. So use your global admin account to get that consented. And next, we need to create a billing plan or subscription for EZCA. And we have two ways to do that. The first is directly through the Azure Marketplace. You can deploy an EZCA subscription just like you do in Azure Resource, or you can go directly through the EZCA portal where we also have a 30-day free trial. Either way, once you get your EZCA subscription created, you can go right into the EZCA portal, click on Certificate Authorities, and we're going to create our very first Cloud CA. I'm going to choose the billing subscription that we just created a moment ago, and I'm going to select Root CA here. We're just going to do a single tier for this video for the PKI hierarchy, but you can totally do a separate route in issuing if you'd like. But I'm going to give my CA a name, click Next. I'm going to keep the default RSA 4096 key size, just click Next again. And now I'm going to enter a notification email so I can be notified when it comes time for my CA renewal or there's any other administrative action. Click Next again. And then for the issuing template, make sure to change that from subordinate CA to SCEP template. I'm going to go ahead and also enable the SCEP static challenge because that's what we're going to be using inside of NinjaOne. Click Next. I'm just going to keep the default region and click Next again. And just like that, we have a Cloud CA deployed and ready to go. I'm going to scroll down and click Download Certificate. We're going to need that in a little bit. And then I'm going to also go back up to the Certificate Authorities page here in EZCA. And then for the CA that you just created, click on View Requirements. And this is where you can find the Intune SCEP URL, as well as the SCEP challenge, which we're going to be needing in NinjaOne as part of our mobile config file. In the Ketos docs, we have full guides with step-by-step instructions on how to set all of this up. We're going to be focused in on the macOS guide for today, so I'm going to choose that. And now the first couple steps we've already done are outlined here, but now we're going to dive into NinjaOne. The first thing that you need to do if you haven't done this already is to install the NinjaOne MDM Apple application here. If you already are managing your Apple devices through MDM and you've already done this, you don't need to do it again. This is definitely just a one-time thing. You do need to renew it yearly though. So download the certificate signing request or CSR from NinjaOne. Go to the Apple portal and upload your CSR into Apple and then upload that. Apple will go ahead and sign that, issue your MDM certificate, and then save that to your device. And then click on Upload File and then choose the signed certificate that you just downloaded from Apple a moment ago. Enter in your Apple ID email as well as a friendly name for the certificate so that way you can get notified in a year when you do need to renew that. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And now we've established that connection so we can manage our devices through MDM and Apple. Now, the next step and what we're going to need is to actually create a management profile or mobile config file to handle the SCEP issuance, since, again, NinjaOne doesn't handle that natively. I'm going to be using the Apple configurator tools. So I'm going to switch over to a Mac for just a few moments and download my certificate for my certificate authority. I'm going to go to Apple Configurator and click on New Profile. Give this a friendly name such as NinjaOne SCEP. And then I'm going to fill out any of the other details that I'd like here. I'm going to give this a unique identifier such as ninja1.scep.ezca, but you can choose any value that you'd like. Underneath certificates, click on Configure and then choose your CA certificate that you downloaded from the EZCA portal there. Then go down into SCEP, click Configure, and this is where you're going to paste in the SCEP URL and SCEP challenge, which again you can find underneath View Requirements for your CA. So I'm going to grab that SCEP URL, go back into Apple Configurator, paste that in. I'm going to give this a friendly name such as EZCA SCEP CA. And then I'm going to choose for the subject, you can choose any variable that you'd like. Apple has a set that we have in our documentation. NinjaOne also has variables that you can choose if you want values from NinjaOne. To make this easy, I'm just going to do a CN equals hardware UUID. And then for the subject alternative name, I'm going to choose DNS with host name. Again, you can choose any values that make sense in your environment here. There's so many variables to choose from. We have those documented in our docs. I'm going to paste the SCEP static challenge, change the key size to 2048, make sure to check both the digital signature and key encipherment, and then I'm going to save my mobile config file to my machine. Once that's saved and you have your mobile config file ready to go, the next step here in our guide is to go into NinjaOne. We're going to switch over to policies and select our Mac policy here. I'm going to go down into the MDM section, choose custom payload, click the add payload button. I'm going to give this a friendly name again, such as EZCA SCEP certificates. I'm going to click upload file, and then I'm going to choose that mobile config file that we created a moment ago. I'll click add, and then up at the top, make sure to click save, which will then save that mobile config file into your NinjaOne policy and payload. And there you can see the payload type includes our certificate and SCEP. So now we're going to switch over to devices. I have a Mac VM that I have set up for this demo. It's running within a Mac Mini that I have. And if I bring over and switch to the remote session here, you can see both the trusted certificate has been installed into my system keychain, and I have a brand new SCEP certificate issued by my EZCA certificate authority with an associated private key. And just like that, we can saw how easy it was to stand up a cloud certificate authority for SCEP in just a few clicks, and then set that up with a mobile config file and NinjaOne to issue passwordless certificates to all of my devices.